record. So now it's recording what's on the screen. It's going to create an MP4 video file that I can share to YouTube. So now that I'm recording, I'll get into the teaching component of this. So what I do is open up a PowerPoint slideshow, snap it to one side, a blank Word document, and then just teach like I normally would. For me, it's very simple. It's just a lecture, basically. Lecture, slides, and then this is, for me, the whiteboard, basically. So I run through the slides like I normally would. If there's any key terms that I would normally write on the board for the students to be able to copy down and do that, right? Whatever. Go through your normal lecture, and then when you're done, you end the meeting.